Did you study while you were in London?
Yes, I went. It's very funny. I had not studied English, and I was an 11-year-old. And I went to this fancy English school because these ladies would put their guests into a fancy school. But the English didn't bother me, but they made me play cricket. And cricket is a game I had absolutely no idea how it functioned. And they each day put me up there with a cricket bat, and I flunked out fairly fast, and then repeated it on the following day. The other, I don't remember any academic thing I learned in England. I was there about a half a year in this London school. There was one kid, again, anti-Semitism didn't seem to enter, who made it his job to beat me up on a daily basis in this London school, which had never happened to me before. And it was not really vicious, it wasn't hateful. It was just, I think, he felt his job was to beat up the new kid. And I wasn't much of a fighter. And the only time, for some reason, I fought properly fought back. And then the teachers came out and we were fighting in the hallway and the teachers were angry. And then I cried because I had displeased the teachers. But after that, this kid came up to me, shook my hand, never beat me again, and I presume looked for the next child to beat up. So it was an interesting experience. I didn't learn much academics, but you soak up the language. You must know that from many people.